guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Be Happy's Beauty and today we're gonna talk about a new YouTube original show. It's Instant Influencer. If you haven't seen what it's all about, it's a whole new show about creators in YouTube that wanted to participate with some makeup. And yeah, I definitely applied. I didn't make it sadly, but it's okay. There's so many of us, I completely understand. The good thing is that really good people did go in, and I definitely want to see what the next part of the show is. I did see the first episode and I totally loved it. I was so intrigued and attracted to one look, which was his makeup. It was so freaking beautiful, guys. It was this most beautiful burgundy cherry color on his eyes, on his lips, you know, very white because he's so white. I am too. And yeah, he did have some blue, clear silver contacts, which were so beautiful. I'm gonna post a picture right here so you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, basically this is the look that I'm gonna be wearing or recreating. Hopefully it comes out good. I really love that look and I was like, oh my gosh, this I gotta try. So let's get to it.
Watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Hey guys, I've done my face foundation, I've done a little bit of contour blush, and I've done my eyebrows off camera. I'm gonna continue with you guys and darken a little bit of this eye. It's very cherry fuchsia and I wanted to move it on to the reddish, a little bit of burgundy kind of side. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna deepen. I'm gonna put some lashes and eyes will be done. We'll move on to lips and the look will be completed.
A bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the monsoon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding.
Right guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. This is the final and completed look. I hope I did James some justice with this look. I hope I did good. I really love it. I actually love this captivating colors, like super bright, and it actually unifies very well with the eyes and lips. I think so, at least. It looks beautiful. I'm just missing the silver eye contacts, and I think it would have been pretty similar, let's say. I mean, I'm sure there's bits and pieces, but I only had like one photo to actually recreate. So hey, look, you know, I used my imagination, and I definitely loved how the look was looking on James faux shizzle. Either way guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe down below. Welcome to the family, Bee's Beauty. I'm not only here to do makeup, I'm also to do fun stuff, but main of all, I just want to teach you anything I can, anything I possibly have learned throughout my life to teach you. So please welcome to the channel. Enjoy, share, subscribe, love it, like. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.